Hey, what's really good, guys? Welcome back to this back at me. How y'all doing, people? This is it. Lexus 2007 ED RX350 is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do the. You see it? You see it? Yeah. The struts, the whole thing, the whole set. And I'm saying we're gonna do both sides and the links. Okay. Yeah, before we jump into the action, you know what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna say it again. Support the channel by clicking on the heart. Alright, click on the heart. Subscribe to the channel. Click on the heart. Alright, it's a stance right there, right below this video. It's a stance. It's like a heart, and it's a stance. Click on that so you can buy a super tent. Okay. That's how you show your love for this channel, by buying a contribution. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of like a tip. You know what I'm saying? Since you're getting this for free, all right, more or less. I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Let's do this links in Struts. Axtuo por un 2007 Lexus RX350. Now hold on, let me tell you what's the symptoms though. Every time you steer or go over the bump or something, you hear like a click, click. Okay, the struts are fucked up. I mean, I'm sorry for my French though, but that's what it is. Wherever your pry bar, small one, something like that, you're gonna open here. You see this type of sluts. Pop it. You're gonna see this. Alright. 3 nuts. Pause. Okay, you're not gonna touch this one. You got 3. The other side is come through here. Pop. Pop it. Like that. You have the same here. 3, alright. 3 bolts. There's a lot of garbage in here. 1, 2, 3. Alright, pretty much. Okay, let's go down there so you can see the rest. Boom. Now we're just gonna lift the car, you know what I'm saying? So I can remove the tires. This is the type of layer I'm dealing with, you know what I'm saying? And that should be the match. This is what I hate of this damn. Okay. Yeah, so here at the bottom we'll remove the tire, obviously, you know what I'm saying? I put some WD-40 on those guys, that too, here in the back. Alright, I'm saying, because we're gonna remove this, look like a 12-13 millimeter, just so we can when we remove this and this, but first we're gonna do this, the links. Alright, we're gonna do the links, you know what I'm saying? Once we do the links, we have this isolated, you know what I'm saying? After that, we're gonna do this one right here, okay? Because like I was saying, you can just lift this like that, pop. Okay, just like that. All right, so we do this first. We do the links. All right, we remove them. Okay, so it's isolated, so the strut is isolated. You know what I'm saying? This whole thing is isolated. After that, we hit this, you know what I'm saying? So this thing is gonna be like on the side. It's not gonna. Once we remove this, pull it back. This hose is gonna stretch, okay? And also we need to remove it from there because it's attached to the strap, okay? So it's the 3 nuts on top, pause. Then we have the links, 1, 2, this 2, this guy. That's pretty much it. Let me show you the new baby, you know what I'm saying? This is right side. No, this is the left side. This is the driver's side. How you know? Because over here it says left, you know what I'm saying? This is how it looks like, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Part number for that. I'm gonna tell you right here. That's the part number. Left, okay? That's the part number, alright? Now this is left, right? And this is right. How you know it's right? Because it says right there. That's the part number, okay? Now this is the right side. How you know? Because it says, well, another thing. Sway bar link. That's the part number right there. 488200604. Know what I'm saying? Okay, stabilizer bar link. Or just stabilizer link. Because the bar, this would be the bar. Stabilizer bar link. It's a stabilizer link. Alright? Now you know. Good.